I'm gonna show you how to make chicken soup on Instapot. Here I have half a chicken. Now I'm gonna place the chicken in the Instapot. I already washed it. This will be enough for 4 people. We're gonna add half an onion and a clove of garlic. And we're gonna add the water. Make sure the water doesn't get to, it gets very close to the half, but not all the way. I also like to add half a cup of dried chickpeas or garbanzo beans, a pinch of oregano, and some laurel leaves. We're gonna add a little bit of salt. We're gonna cover. And we're gonna do 25 minutes, low pressure. Now it's ready, we're gonna check. We're gonna remove the onion and the impurities. Now we'll add the cilantro while it's still hot. Now we're gonna boil the vegetables. I have 2 Italian zucchini chopped. I like to do them separately because they taste a lot better. A chopped celery stick, 2 chopped carrots, and 2 chopped potatoes. And this is optional. I like to add some chopped fennel or anise. Now I'm gonna add like a half a cup of water. And we're gonna cover so it cooks more evenly. Let's check and see if the vegetables are ready. Yes, they are. Now we're gonna give it a try. Now we're gonna try the caldo de pollo or chicken soup. I'm having it with some New Mexico chili oil. I already have the recipe. It's delicious. You're gonna love it once you make it. Goes well with any chicken dishes. Taco. I'm gonna add some chili oil. Hopefully it's not that spicy.